Hey guys, it's Mrs. Hageman. I'm going to take you through an intro of finishing out the chapter doing two-column proofs. We're going to focus on parallel lines. So when you do a proof of parallel lines, it's going to ask you if the lines are parallel, okay, or not. And if they're not, then we cannot do a proof. You have your Quizlet vocab words there as well. So think about it. If two angles are supplementary, and which angles need to be supplementary? Are lines M and L parallel? If two angles are congruent, these are things we've talked about. Are lines M and L parallel? And which angles? And why? This is the most important question because it is the reason that we complete these two-column proofs. Always take a closer look at your pictures. We have congruent angles. We have 4 of them, okay? Alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding, and vertical. However, vertical can be in a proof, but they are not used to say that the two lines are parallel. And then supplementary, which adds to 180. We have consecutive interior angles, and we have linear pairs. Again, linear pairs are used in proofs, but they do not prove lines parallel. So what to do with information that we've already seen? We've seen something like this. So I'm just going to transform this into a two-column proof for you. So anything that you're told in the problem is called a statement. And the reason that you're told it is because it was given to you. Okay, so N is a transversal. That's given. And angle 6 and angle 4 are congruent. That's given. Then you need to think about what types of angles are 6 and 4. So you're going to say in step 3 that angle 6 is congruent to angle 4 because alternate interior angles are congruent. Okay? If we don't state that, then we can't state what converse it is. So you're always thinking, what types of angles are they? So then in your last step, you are proving what the question is saying. So is M parallel to M parallel to L? That means is line M parallel to line L? And yes, that is true because of the alternate interior angles converse. And that would be the then part of that because you're proving those lines parallel. Your objectives for today going through this playlist is to make connection between the game of Uno and proving lines parallel, and you'll be able to complete a two-column proof on your own.